Hi there, it's Gabrielle Herendeen, and welcome to 23442 Evalyn Avenue in South Torrance. Come on and have a look inside. So it's a traditional floor plan. You walk in off the entry, and there's a nice inviting living room with a fireplace, plantation shutters, and there's also a great family room over here that opens off to the backyard as well as the kitchen. It's that great floor plan that everybody loves. Wonderful for entertaining. If you have kids, they can just come in and out and play out in this lovely private backyard. Tons of grass. Got a few fruit trees that are ready to bloom. Come back inside. And there's an awesome peninsula, if you will. So this is great for, you can use it as a breakfast bar here, or putting appetizers or something, or just meal preps with all this counter space and lots of cabinets. It includes the refrigerator. There's also a washer and dryer in here and pantry space. And it's a really versatile floor plan. So there are 2 bedrooms downstairs that share a hall bathroom. And lots of storage too. So there's the linen storage. They both have their own closets. This is a 3/4 bathroom. Lots of cabinets and counter space in there as well. And then the 2nd bedroom downstairs looks off to the yard. The windows have been replaced, so those are the new vinyl windows. More storage under the stairs here. And as we head upstairs, there's another closet here, coat closet with a rod. And these 2 bedrooms upstairs, we do share a Jack and Jill bathroom in the middle too. So lots of closet space, nice windows, pretty treetop views. So there's a 3/4 bathroom here. Oh, sorry, it's a full bathroom. I like this daisy tile work in here, so really pretty. And finally the 4th bedroom. So thanks for joining me on this walkthrough. Let me know if you'd like to have a look in person. Thank you.